Yay, here we are with question 6 of June 2008, core 2. We've got the nth term of a sequence being un, well it always is. We've got a definition for the sequence, there that is, p and q are constants, and we've got 3 terms to get us started. And in part A we've got to find that q is 6, and we've got to find out what p is. So all we've got to do is just use all of this as our starting point. Okay, here's our formula for the sequence. This is saying that to get each term you do the previous term un times p and you add on q, and all we've got to do is use that first of all with u1 and u2 and then with u2 and u3, and we're going to get simultaneous equations. I'll give you a little bit of a start on the first one. The first time we use it we're going to be working out 8, and that's going to be p times the term before the 8, I'll let you do that bit, and we've got to add on q. So I've substituted in numbers I know for 2 terms of the sequence, and that's my equation 1. And you're going to get the equation 2 is going to be something else equals something else times p plus q, and then you're going to do GCSE simultaneous equations to get p and q, and it even tells you what q is. So that's part A. Find the value of u4. Well, you need to have worked out your p and q, but once you've got what you you knew what u1, 2 and 3 are, once you've got p and q, to find u4 you're going to say u4 is whatever my p is, which you know, times u3, which you know, times u3, plus whatever your q was is going to give you u4. So that shouldn't be a problem. Right, part C, standard method for finding a limit as n tends to infinity. The game we're playing here is we're imagining we could go infinitely far along this sequence. We could go forever and ever and ever and ever, after which point all the terms get closer and closer and closer together towards the same number, which is the limit L. And the trick is you say that the un plus 1 and the un will both have become L. So you'll get an equation which will be L equals something, p, which you know, times L, plus something else, q, which you've also found. And that's your equation for L for 1 mark, and to get the value of L, you just have to solve that equation. Easy peasy. Get it done.